In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbnail with ChatGPT and Canva AI. In this video, you'll learn how to create a professional YouTube thumbnail by combining the creative capabilities of ChatGPT with Canva AI. A compelling thumbnail is one of the most important parts of any YouTube video because it's often the first thing viewers notice. With the right prompt and a few simple clicks, you can generate an eye-catching design that looks polished and ready to publish without needing advanced graphic design experience. To begin, open ChatGPT and navigate to the main chat screen. Click inside the message box and select the Canva integration. This allows ChatGPT to work directly with Canva AI to generate visual designs based on your written instructions. Once the Canva option is selected, you're ready to describe the thumbnail you want to create. Next, type a detailed prompt explaining exactly how you'd like your thumbnail to look. Include the title you want displayed and describe the visual elements you want featured. For example, you can request bold, attention-grabbing text, a surprised content creator, glowing AI-themed icons, a futuristic blue background, and dramatic lighting effects. The more specific your prompt is, the more closely the generated design will match your vision. After reviewing your prompt, submit the request and allow ChatGPT to begin processing it. As ChatGPT works with Canva AI, you'll see the design generation process begin. A setup window will appear, allowing you to select a design style before generating the final concept. Once you confirm your selection, ChatGPT continues creating the thumbnail while displaying progress updates as it reviews the prompt, places the visual elements, adds the text, and finalizes the overall layout. After a brief moment, the completed thumbnail appears on the screen. ChatGPT may also suggest a shorter version of your title that is better suited for high-performing YouTube thumbnails. Keeping thumbnail text short and easy to read often improves visibility, especially on mobile devices. When you're satisfied with the preview, choose the option to edit the design in Canva. This opens the project directly in Canva, where you can carefully review the layout and confirm that all the requested elements have been included correctly. Check that the background, typography, images, and overall composition look balanced and visually appealing. Once everything looks the way you want, use Canva's sharing options to export the thumbnail as a high-quality PNG image. After the export is complete, open the finished file and review the final design. Make sure the colors are vibrant, the text is easy to read, and the overall image looks sharp and professional. Your thumbnail is now ready to use for your next YouTube upload. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,